The other day, someone asked how to attach a Pelican to the back of your motorcycle. And then I read it again, and it was how to attach a Pelican case to the back of your motorcycle. And I've done that.
Moto Adventures is on the road.
Now, do not be confused. This is not the way to attach a Pelican case to the back of a motorcycle. This is just a way to attach a Pelican case to the back of the motorcycle. But in the question on social media, they were asking how to connect a quick release Pelican case to the back of the motorcycle. And so I decided to see if I could do it my way. So after searching the internet for about an hour and some change and finding that all the quick release stuff was, $125 plus, I figured, how quick release do I actually need it? Turns out not very quick release at all. I like it on here a lot. Because we ride all over the place with camera and audio equipment, the Pelican case was an obvious option for the back of my bike. That's why I was interested in how other people had attached it there, but apparently quick release is a big thing, and this is how I did mine. So inside my Pelican case, generally speaking, it's going to be a tripod from Peak Design, an audio kit from Comica, and there is another audio kit on the inside from Pico Mic. Pico Gear, Pico Mic. Those are pretty good. And then inside this bag, depending on what the trip is going to be my camera with a pancake lens. It's going to be some battery bricks. It's going to be some GoPro charger and batteries, etc., etc. Things that, you would prefer not to get jostled around inside of a soft bag. So the question then was how to attach it. Lock straps. This will show you why that's in here in a second. But what I did under here, currently, second iteration, is just lock nuts. Choose the bolt of your length, choose the bolt of your size, choose the washer of your preference, and put a lock nut on there. And that's why this is here, so I can just loosen it from here and the bolts come in from the bottom. Now, originally what I had, because I wanted it to be semi-quick release, was on the inside. I had these knobs put down on top of here. Well, these have little pointy edges, and I quickly found out that would cause some kind of, pointy abrasion or something on a camera if it was not properly protected. And so I didn't want to worry about that. So I wanted to go with something a little bit, softer. Well, that was good and it worked, but the problem with that was when you put this on here, then you're losing this much storage space. So we're looking at least an inch of storage space because the knob sticks up, and yeah. Turns out also that I didn't want to take this off as much as I thought I would, because it just stays on there. It's nice and balanced. It's very low profile. And so I decided to take these off and put the lock nuts on. And that's how I do my Pelican case. I didn't think it was all that complicated when someone asked in the first place, but apparently it's complicated. So I'll put this back in here just for safekeeping and pack this back up so you can see how it goes. But honestly, it was pretty much, self-explanatory. This is how to strap a Pelican to the back of your bike. Pelican case.